In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Lucidchart file. Navigating Lucidchart's interface can be a seamless experience once you know where to start and what to click. So let's dive into the process to ensure your work is saved and accessible whenever you need it. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the home page of Lucidchart. From here, direct your attention to the Documents section, which you can find on the main navigation menu. Clicking on Documents will lead you to a collection of your saved and recently accessed files. Once you're in the Documents section, you'll need to identify and click on the specific file you wish to save or export. This is as simple as browsing through your list until you find the correct document. Click on this file to open it within the Lucidchart editor. Now, it's essential to understand that Lucidchart automatically saves your progress. This means there's no traditional save button, eliminating the risk of losing any unsaved changes. However, if you're looking to save the file for offline use or to share it in a different format, exporting is the way to go. To begin exporting, click on the File menu at the top of the interface. This will reveal a drop-down menu where you can select the Export option. You'll notice several options for exporting, which include various file formats. These formats each serve different purposes, so choose the one that best suits your needs. While you have options such as PNG, JPG, and Visio, for our demonstration today, we're going to focus on exporting as a PDF, a universal format that retains the layout and elements of your chart beautifully. After selecting PDF, you'll be prompted with the next option, Download. Clicking this button will convert your file into a PDF document, and the download will begin. Depending on your browser settings, you might be asked where to save the file on your computer. Choose a location that's easy to remember, and if possible, create a dedicated folder for your Lucidchart projects to keep everything organized. And there you have it. Your Lucidchart file is now saved and exported as a PDF, ready for any offline use or sharing needs. Remember, while Lucidchart's automatic saving functionality is excellent for cloud-based work, it's always a good idea to export your projects periodically for backups or to keep local copies. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. By understanding these steps, you'll have mastered the art of saving your Lucidchart files efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and guides. Happy charting!